You know the old saying, a diamond is a girl's best friend? Well, there's a good reason for that. A natural diamond that you can hold in your hand can sometimes be worth more than the biggest house on the block or the nicest car or yacht and so on. The composition that forms a diamond makes it one of the strongest substances. It has strength and endurance and is a beautiful gem. Not by chance is it a symbol of love. A diamond lasts forever, and so does true love. One of the biggest questions people ask is, what decides the value of a diamond? Well, as many of you have already heard, in our trade we call it the 4 C's. What are the 4 C's? Well, let me tell you. Cut, color, clarity, and carat weight. Let's start with cut. A standard round brilliant diamond has 58 cut facets on it. A diamond's proportions affects the beauty and life of the diamond. Depending on how nicely cut the proportions of the polish and symmetry are, that's how much brightness, fire, and scintillation the diamond will spark. Next, let's talk about the color. The color scale diamond dealers use range from D color to Z color. D color being a colorless diamond, followed by E color, then F, G, H, and so on. Each with a slight tinge of color until it goes down to Z color, which is much more yellow or brown. As the color range drops, so does the price. However, darker than Z in color, the diamond starts to become what's known as a fancy color diamond. If it's a natural, fancy colored diamond, then the price starts to go up more and more. There are fancy yellow diamonds, fancy pink diamonds, fancy purple diamonds, fancy orange diamonds, fancy green diamonds, fancy blue diamonds, and it goes as far as fancy red diamonds. There are also many variations and mixtures of these colors. A vivid yellow or intense pink, not to mention an intense red, and so on, become very expensive diamonds. Next on the list is clarity. Because diamonds are formed over many, many years under a lot of heat and pressure, there is almost always an internal or external characteristic that is a byproduct, which form inclusions. There are 11 clarity grades, the cleanest being flawless, followed by internally flawless. Very, very slight inclusions, we abbreviate it and call it VVS1, then VVS2, followed by VS1, VS2. Slightly included, that's SI1, then SI2, and then they start to drop more and more in inclusions to included 1, included 2, or included 3. The more included, the lower the price and value. The cleaner they are, the harder it is to find. Lastly, but not least, in the 4 C's is carat weight. Each diamond is divided into 100 points. 100 points is a 1 carat weight in diamond. A 25 pointer is a quarter of a carat. A 50-point diamond is half a carat. A 75-point diamond is a 3/4 of a carat, and so on and so on. Naturally, the bigger the diamond is in size and weight, the more expensive they are. Now that we've briefly gone through, in short, what makes up the value of a diamond, let's remember how we started this in the beginning. A diamond is a girl's best friend, and so is true love. But for that, you have to look at the diamond and see for yourself which diamond interests you the most. With the 4 C's and the life, light, brilliance, and sparkle that so very much appeal to you.